Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, the game has crashed with error code 0xc0000096, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So this error has a pretty easy solution. The solution is you're going to open up your start menu and you're going to open up the Xbox app. Now what you're going to do is you're going to sign out of your Xbox account. So just click sign out on here and then close up the Xbox app, and then you're going to open up the Xbox app again. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click onto your username, click onto support, click onto gaming services repair tool, and then click start repairing. Now click yes here. Now it will diagnose your issue and then it will fix your issue on its own. Once it's done fixing your issue, you're going to go ahead and open up that Forza Horizon 6 games folder. So go to the games location. The default location should be in your C drive, program file is 6, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Forza Horizon 6. Now what you're going to do is you're going to delete the Forza Horizon 6 exe from here. And then you're going to go to your games platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, go into install files, and then click verify integrity of game files here. Once you click onto that, it will re-download that Forza Horizon 6 exe file, and then you're going to open up the games folder. You're going to right click on the Forza Horizon 6 exe, go into properties, compatibility, click run this program as an administrator, and also click disable full screen optimizations. After that, click apply. Okay, and now you can go ahead and try to play Forza Horizon 6 and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.